Unimig is back with their very own HYPERARC 16TC low hydrogen electrode. The new HYPERARC 16TC electrode is a twin-coated 7016 low hydrogen electrode designed for where high-quality welds are required. Exceptionally versatile, the HYPERARC 16TC can be used in all welding positions except vertical down on both AC and DC power sources. Twin-coated flux improves arc stability and reduces post-weld cleanup with low spatter levels and easy releasing slag. 2 kilo vacuum-sealed packets reduce waste and ensure every electrode is dry, moisture-free and ready to weld straight out of the pack. Unimig, the trusted name in the Australian welding industry.